What's up, everybody? I'm getting ready to go fly at this college by my house. So yeah, I haven't got to fly in like 13 days, so hopefully I do pretty good. It's not very warm, it's like 33 degrees, but it's very sunny. So I'm doing a little car vlogging because it's something different. Look at the beautiful woods. Sun shining through. Yeah, I was going to go over here on the side, but I don't know, there's freaking people over there. I don't know what they're doing. I might still go over there. But, yeah, did you guys know I do live streams? You guys should check one out one day. I do them every other Friday and Wednesday. So, I'll do one this Wednesday coming up, and then not the Friday, but the next one. But alright, I'm going to pull in, get some flight footage. I thought I had something else to say, but I'll be back to talk to you guys. There's Miami securities over there, so I think it's security. Hopefully they don't mess with me. But alright.
Before I bust in my pants, the mad author of anguish. My language polluted, Onyx is heavyweight. And still undisputed. You took the words right out my mouth and walk a mile in my shoes. I pay so many dues, I feel used and abused, and I'm so confused. Now, excuse me, for example, I'm the inspiration of a whole generation. And unless you got 10 sticky fingers, it's the imitation, a figment of your imagination. But wait, it gets worse. I'm not watered down, so I'm dying of thirst. Coming through with the scam, foolproof plan. B-boys make some noise and just fail.
Alright, I couldn't fly at the college. I flew one pack. I waited for Bullfrog to come, but there was freaking too many people. Security guard kept watching me, and I didn't want to get kicked out of that spot because I like to fly there. So I came to my doctor's office. I haven't flown here for a really long time. It felt pretty good. It's really freaking cold. It's like, I don't know, it feels like it's in the 20s wind chill. I had the sun for a little bit, but then it's gone. So you guys better give me a thumbs up because I just froze. So hopefully you like this video. Come watch my live stream. I have merch for sale. I'll link that below. Go buy some nappy stuff. All the stuff I sell, all the money I make off of it, which is a couple dollars each item, I'll put right back into the live stream for giveaways. All right, thanks.